She's using the headset, so she didn't have to shout very loud. That was called a double back.
Okay.
There's the midship spring.
Then we win.
You want me to go ahead and take it off?
Take it off.
And she's going to lay it on the dock, make it easy to catch when we come back.
Great.
Here we go.
Okay. Hang on, here we go.
Wish us luck.
Have a good one.
Pilings are our friends.
When I'm clear.
Clear.
She let him know that we cleared that last piling and that anchor.